So let's talk a little bit about the model types available to us when text is our input and how they can be helpful in solving problems, like never being able to understand my friends when they talk about soccer. The first is text to text. Text to text models take a natural language input and produce text output. These models are trained to learn the mapping between a pair of text, for example, translating from one language to others. Next, we have text to image. Text-to-image models are trained on a large set of images, each captioned with a short text description. Diffusion is one method used to achieve this. There's also text-to-video and text-to-3D. Text-to-video models aim to generate a video representation from text input. The input text can be anything from a single sentence to a full script, and the output is a video that corresponds to the input text. Similarly, text-to-3D models generate three-dimensional objects that correspond to a user's text description for use in games or other 3D worlds. And finally, there's text-to-task. Text-to-task models are trained to perform a defined task or action based on text input. This task can be a wide range of actions, such as answering a question, performing a search, making a prediction, or taking some sort of action. For example, a text-to-task model could be trained to navigate a web user interface or make changes to a doc through a graphical user interface. See, with these models, I can actually understand what my friends are talking about when the game is on. Another model that's larger than those I mentioned is a foundation model, which is a large AI model pre-trained on a vast quantity of data designed to be adapted or fine-tuned to a wide range of downstream tasks, such as sentiment analysis, image captioning, and object recognition. Foundation models have the potential to revolutionize many industries, including healthcare, finance, and customer service. They can even be used to detect fraud and provide personalized customer support. If you're looking for foundation models, Vertex AI offers a model garden that includes foundation models.
The language foundation models include chat, text, and code.
The vision foundation models include stable diffusion, which have been shown to be effective at generating high-quality images from text descriptions. Let's say you have a use case where you need to gather sentiments about how your customers feel about your product or service. You can use the classification task sentiment analysis task model. Same for vision tasks. If you need to perform occupancy analytics, there is a task-specific model for your use case.